Welcome to the A+ Hydra Korean Monodose Facial Kit tutorial without using Hydra machine. This facial is designed to give deep hydration, nourishment, and a salon-like glow at home. Remember, it is not suitable for acne, pimple-prone, or sensitive skin. Step 1. Jojoba Cleanser with vitamin E. Apply evenly on the face and neck. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes to dissolve dirt, oil, and impurities. Rinse thoroughly with water. This prepares the skin for the next steps. Step 2. Hydra Exfoliator. On wet skin, massage in upward circular motions. This step removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and smoothens the texture. Rinse off with distilled water for best results. Step 3. Hydra Nourishing Massage. Gel. Take the gel and massage in relaxing upward strokes for 15 to 20 minutes. This step deeply hydrates, relaxes facial muscles, and improves blood circulation for a fresh, plump look. Step 4. Hydrating Rubber Mask. Mix the powder with 47 milliliters of water to form a thick paste. Apply evenly on the face. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, then peel it off gently. This step detoxifies, calms irritation, and locks in hydration. Step 5. HA. Hydrating Sheet Mask. Apply the sheet mask and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove and gently massage the remaining serum into the skin. This step delivers intense hydration and makes the skin look plumper and healthier. Step 6. Botanical Extract Serum. Finally, apply the serum and massage in circular motions until fully absorbed. This seals the treatment, revitalizes the skin, and gives a long-lasting glow. And that's the complete Hydra Korean Facial Kit routine. Effective hydration and nourishment without the need of a Hydra machine. Thank you for watching. Purchase link in description.